HITBOX HBT250P AC DC TIG, MMA Welding Machine, Digital Pulse, HF TIG, 2T, 4T. The HITBOX HBT250P AC DC is a high-performance inverter welder designed for both pros and serious hobbyists. It offers TIG welding with the ability to handle aluminum, thanks to AC mode, stick, MMA welding, and pulse control for refined welds. With a robust build, precise controls, and multiple features, this unit aims to give you full control over welding quality for a variety of materials. Checkmark key features and highlights. AC, DC TIG welding. Lets you weld aluminum, stainless steel, copper, etc. with AC mode, for cleaning and oxide layer removal, and DC mode for steel and other metals. MMA, ARC, stick function. Allows stick welding, MMA, for jobs where TIG isn't convenient or when working with thicker or rough materials. IGBT inverter technology ensures efficient, stable power delivery, reduced weight, and better control over the arc behavior. Pulse and square wave modes, pulse frequency, duty cycle, AC frequency, balance and square wave options allow fine adjustment for cleaner welds, less warping, better control especially in thin aluminum fabrication. 2T, 4T trigger modes. 2T, 2-touch, for simple on-off control. 4T for lift to start, release to end, kind of toggling, which is helpful for long welds where finger fatigue is an issue. Adjustable welding parameters includes controls for pre-gas time, post-gas time, start current, peak current, slope up, current rise, slope down, AC balance, etc. These allow tailoring of weld bead shape, penetration, and heat control. HF, high frequency, TIG start, allows non-contact arc initiation, which reduces tungsten contamination and makes the weld starts cleaner. Duty cycle and output range, delivers up to 200A in TIG mode, 180A, or similar, in MMA, arc mode depending on configuration. Ratings around 60% duty cycle, often 60 to 70% depending on source, at rated amperages. Safety and cooling, built with cooling fans, over temperature, over current, overload protections. Often protection class around IP21S. Thumbs up. Why consider it? Use case. Great for working with aluminum, boat repair, automotive wheels, custom panels, where AC TIG is needed to remove the oxide layer properly. Useful for both TIG and stick, MMA, so you can use one machine in multiple jobs, thin sheet welding, thick plates, outdoor work, etc. The pulse and digital parameter controls allow fine-tuning for reducing heat input, minimizing distortion, improving weld appearance. The 2T, 4T modes, HF start, slope up, down, etc. allow more ergonomic and precise handling. Suitable for workshops, metal fabrication, automotive restoration, metal art, etc. Warning: things to watch, limitations. Input is fixed voltage, 220 volts, so you'll need appropriate supply. Using on 110 volts would require a suitable transformer. For high-frequency AC TIG on aluminum, clean gas, pure tungsten, and good shielding are necessary to get the best finish. Cooling and metal duty cycle matter. Sustained high-current TIG welding will generate heat, cooling fans and rest periods are needed. IP21S means not fully weather protected. Avoid heavy exposure to dust or moisture. The no-load voltage, while high for arc starting, still means safety must be observed.